What colors should I get? For acrylics, watercolor and oils, if you want to mix colors, start with 2 reds, 2 blues, 2 yellows and a white. You want 2 of each primary color and 1 a warm version and 1 a cool. This will give you a larger range of color when mixing than just one version of each primary. If you don't want to mix all your colors, also get an earth brown, a golden earth brown and a green. Can I mix different brands of paint? Yes, you can mix different brands of paint as well as artist quality and student quality paints. Be more cautious about mixing different type of paint or using them in same painting. For instance, you can do I have to learn color theory? Color theory is the grammar of art. Essentially, it is a guide to how color interact, complement, or contrast with one another. It is one of the fundamentals of paintings, and the more you know about the colors you are using, the more you can get from them. Don't let the word theory intimidate you. The fundamentals of color mixing are